So I know that a lot of you girls who watch my videos are probably already in college or will be entering college this year, and it's always get to get some fashion advice before you enter this big daunting world. Lucky for you, I've already done my fair share of college mistakes, not just in fashion but also generally in life. So I can tell you what to do and what not to do. And as usual, if you're watching my videos for the first time, hi, I'm Ishita.Khanna, and you will find a lot of grooming, fashion and lifestyle related videos on my channel. And if you like my content, please do consider subscribing. The first fashion mistake you could be making is not washing your clothes properly. Now when we're in school, be it a boarding school or day school, हम कहाँ ही ध्यान देते हैं कि कौन से कपड़े कैसे धुलने चाहिए. Our moms take care of everything. So when we enter college, we are clueless about what kind of clothes should be washed in what way. I had a house help who would come home and I would either get all my clothes hand washed or machine washed. But as time passed, I started realizing why some of my clothes were getting worn out so quickly even though I wasn't wearing them so often. And that is when I learned that I need to focus on the garment labels. Each garment comes with its own instructions of how it should be washed, and we need to be super careful about that. Some of them cannot be dry cleaned, some of them cannot be bleached, some of them cannot be machine washed, and all these things you need to keep in mind. In fact, आज तक मुझे सारे symbols के मतलब नहीं पता है, but I will share them with you guys on the screen so you can remember all of them properly. The next fashion mistake you could be making is buying something just because it's on sale. Now, I've been to college, so I know that we all get a limited pocket money. So when sales happen, those are major attractions and we run to get those things on sale, especially those Zara sales. In fact, I remember waking up early in the morning just so I could skip those billing queues that are so long. In fact, Zara becomes a machi market during sales. Anyway, my point is that I still have pieces from those sales that I never went back to wearing even once or twice. I had this neon pink top that I thought was really cool, and because it was on sale, I had to buy it. But it was a waste of money rather than me thinking that I'm saving money on sale. I would suggest save that money and think twice or thrice before buying something, whether it's on sale or not on sale. So remember, just because something is on sale, you do not need to buy it. Next up is wearing rubber bands on your wrist. I did that throughout my college life, but when I look back, it was such a major fashion faux pas. Now, I got this habit from school days because it is convenient to just put the rubber band around your wrist, and when you need to tie your hair, it's right here, right? I know, it's easy, it's an obvious thing, and it's simple, and every girl almost does it. But later, I realized that if I have a very well put together outfit and I've accessorized it also really well, this one little rubber band on my wrist is gonna screw it all up. So make sure that if you have this habit of putting the rubber band on your wrist, you are getting rid of it. Next up is neglecting ethnic wear. Now, I come from a boarding school where my school uniform was salwar kameez with a dupatta. So there was no way I was going to wear the same when I enter college. But I do think that was a mistake. And because I didn't end up wearing so much ethnic in college, मेरी आदत ही नहीं पड़ी इतना Indian wear पहनने की, and I do kind of regret it because I think I could have experimented a lot with ethnic wear back then. So whether it is a kurta paired with jeans, a patiala salwar, or a beautiful sari on those special farewell occasions, you must try and include ethnic wear in your daily outfits. You can also watch my video right here, which is going to be super helpful. I showed you guys how to style your kurti in different ways for college. In fact, the Loom also has amazing stuff for college. I love the new quad sets. The prints are so young and so fresh, perfect for this summertime as well. And they also have kurta sets that you can actually wear to college, not just for your daily wear but also for the special occasions. Next mistake is wearing flip-flops or chappals to college. Now, I wore them so much is why I'm telling you guys not to wear them, especially during college. We tend to take public transport. I used to go to college in a bus most of the times, and I know how many people stepped on my feet so often, not just in buses but just all throughout the day. And just exposing your feet to so much dirt and dust is torture for your feet. So unless you have tons of money and extra pocket money to spend on pedicures, I would recommend wearing closed shoes such as sneakers. Next mistake, giving into the brand hype. Now when you enter college, you're gonna see all sorts of people from different backgrounds. But जब हम school में होते हैं, everyone wears a uniform, right? So you don't really see a difference. But when you enter college, you might see people who are dripped in brands from top to bottom. And it's also natural for you to want that. that. If you have the kind of resources, go ahead and do your thing. But if you are thinking of investing in first copies or fake copies of branded stuff, I would highly recommend you to not do that. They are very bad quality and they also look tacky. Instead, save that money, probably go street shopping, and trust me, you will find 100x better quality stuff which is non-branded out there. Next mistake, do not wear just blue jeans throughout your college life. I did that major mistake. I only wore blue or black skinny jeans to college because I think that time skinny jeans was a thing. But do not make the mistake that I did. Experiment with different bottom wear styles like bell bottoms, wide leg fits, cargos that add a little variation to your outfit so that you don't end up becoming too predictable to people around you. You should keep them guessing what you're going to be wearing the next day. And the last mistake to avoid is going overboard with your makeup. Now, not all of us are very good with makeup. Even I'm not. To date, I still struggle with makeup, which means that we may end up doing it the wrong way or going overboard with it. A strict no for college is bold lipsticks or eyeshadows or cakey foundation. Try to keep the makeup extremely minimal. I have in fact done a few videos on the no makeup look or an everyday makeup look, and also a makeup tutorial, so do check those out. I'm going to link them down below for you guys. You basically just need to keep in mind that you're going for college classes and not for a fancy party or a fancy college occasion. And in fact, it saves you a lot of time also in the mornings, right? You don't want to wake up in the morning and do like a full face of makeup. Do minimal stuff, use minimal products, and you would be good to go. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful and will take away something from it. Do let me know in the comments down below if any of these mistakes you were making and are gonna change it. And apart from this, also let me know what video you want to watch next on my channel. Until then, take care. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, like, and share button, and I will see you guys in my next video.